The Genesis G70 2022 represents a heavy cosmetic refresher of the same sedan that has been on sale for many years. The emerging design language of the new luxury brand, which made its debut on the larger G80 and G90 sedans, as well as the new GV80 crossover SUV, has been applied to an interesting effect. This isn't entirely surprising. We understand that the G70 was designed from the start to adopt a new look, which was still being refined in 2018. Replacing the G70's more generic face and twin tail tip styling, light elements front and rear bars that separate the headlights and tail lights, as well as a new thicker, sharper mesh chainmail grille. The front fenders seem to have a more sculptural aesthetic, while the new tiny vents sit right behind each front wheel and take the gutters that are on the G70's side doors. In the same vein, the new headlights and taillights align with the G70's sharp shoulder creases that extend just over the doorknob from nose to tail. It sounds cliché, but the clean effect of the G70 2022's visual enhancements makes it appear longer and slimmer than before, even if the body shell and hooks remain unchanged. Released Genesis, the brand seems to have made slight changes to the G70's interior. Already a handsome and user-friendly space, the G70's cabin looks the same as before, although it hides one major improvement. The centerpiece of the current 8.0-inch model has been swapped for a new 10.3-inch, wider format display that runs the new software. While not explicitly stated, the new settings are likely to change from the G70 coming out of the on-screen menu and Hyundai-esque outgoing look to the Genesis-specific screen style and functionality. As your mom always says, looks aren't everything, but in the case of the G70 2022, there you have it. Genesis says the current 252 HP 2.0-liter four-cylinder model will be brought to 22 without change, at least for the Korean market. The Ditto features a 365 HP 3.3-liter twin-turbo V6, which is newly supported by an active exhaust system that can be adjusted louder for more pizzazz during a sporty ride. The automaker noted that a feature of the international market is TBD, meaning there is still time for the US market 2022 G70 to swap out its 2.0-liter base engine for a new 2.5-liter unit producing around 300 horsepower, a change that is also expected. Comes to the platform's counterpart to the Kia G70 badge, Stinger. The good news was offset by Genesis's decision to cancel the manual transmission of the G70 2022 options sheet. Consider it a miracle that the G70 was once offered with a stick shift in the first place, due to the fast-fading type of transmission of the sports sedan segment. It's not yet known if the V6 will get more power here, or if the Genesis will swap out for the bigger, twin-turbo 3.5-liter V6 engine than the GV80. Included with the new kit: over-the-air update capability. The display still relies on touch input for manipulation, and we were pleased to see a row of large, easy-to-use temperature control knobs and hard buttons for the audio system remain.
Thank you.